So I'm going to show you how to install YouTube on your Vitron Smart TV. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. And with the TV connected to Wi-Fi, you now need to just press on the home screen and then go to Mine. Okay, now under Mine, you can either find the installer for YouTube, or you can go to the Google Play Store, having signed into your Google account, of course, and launch the Google Play Store. Now in the Google Play Store, just go to the search function at the top there and just search YouTube. Now sometimes you might find it in the popular apps, but if you don't find it there, you can just type YouTube. Now, but since I already found it, I'll just go ahead and click it. That's going to open up the YouTube app. So just go ahead and click on the install button. And that's going to start the download and installation process of YouTube on your Vitron Smart TV. Once installed, you can launch YouTube from here, or you can always launch it from the app screen. There you go. So you might have the get started process. Obviously, you can choose to sign in with your phone or just type in with your remote the details and you're good to go. Or you can just choose to watch as guest. If you want to watch it or if you want to use YouTube without signing in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.